Hello everyone, welcome to One Auto Car G. Today we talk about one of the craziest cars in the world, the Hoonicorn Mustang. This car is powerful, fast, loud and special. It became famous because of one man, Kenny Block. Before we start, please take 5 seconds to like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. Kenny Block was an American driver. He loved cars, speed, and doing impossible tricks. Before becoming famous with cars, he helped create a big shoe company called DC Shoes. After that, he started driving in real races, but he wanted something more fun and exciting. So he started making videos where he drifted cars around streets, buildings, bridges, and crazy locations. Those videos were called Gymkhana. Millions of people watched them. To make those videos even better, Kenny Block needed a special car. A car that could drift very fast and look amazing. That car became the Hoonicorn. Around 2013, Kenny Block and his team wanted to build a car that nobody had ever seen before. They chose a 1965 Ford Mustang, a classic American car. But they were not going to rebuild it normally. They wanted something weird. A lot of horsepower, all-wheel drive, crazy looks, able to drift anywhere. They took the old Mustang, removed everything, and started building the Hoonicorn from the ground up. The car was built by RTR, the company of drift driver Van Gieten Jr. They made a strong metal cage inside the car to protect the driver. They added special suspension so the car could drift and move faster around corners. The body was made wide and tough. It had big fenders, sharper angles, and a very aggressive look. It did not look like a normal Mustang anymore. It looked like a monster. Inside, everything was simple. Just a steering wheel, buttons, and metal. No comfort, only performance. The most craziest part of the Hoonicorn is the engine. It has a big V8 engine with two turbochargers on the front. This engine makes 1,400 horsepower. That is more power than many cars. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2 seconds. And the power goes to all four wheels. This helps the car drift easily while still staying under control. The sound of the engine is loud, angry, and powerful. When Kenny Block drives it, there is smoke everywhere. The Hoonicorn became very famous in Gymkhana 7. Kenny Block drove through Los Angeles. He drifted next to Paris cars, drifted around a donut shop, and even drifted on a hill road. People around the world were shocked by the speed and control of the Hoonicorn. Later, the car appeared in more videos, and each time it made crazy moves. Big drifts, fast turns, close slides, and huge smoke. The Hoonicorn became a supercar. After the first version, Kenny Block wanted more power, so the team made Hoonicorn V2. What changed? More horsepower, bigger turbines, strong parts, even wider body, more aggressive design. With V2, the car raced again supercars like Lamborghinis, GTRs, and even crazy trucks. Most of the time, Hoonicorn won. It was fast and more powerful than almost everything. The Hoonicorn is now one of the most famous drift cars ever made. People love it because it is unique, strong, and exciting to watch. After Kenny Block passed away, the car became even more important. It reminds people of his talent, creativity, and love for cars. The Hoonicorn is not just a Mustang, it is a symbol of passion and freedom. This was the full story of the Hoonicorn Mustang, a car that changed the world of drifting forever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments which car should we talk about next. Thank you for watching One Auto Car Gym, where car passion meets power.